I was speaking to an organization last week that wanted an automation that helped them ensure that their copy was in line with their communication and style guide. I created this automation and thought, firstly, why am I not using this for myself? And secondly, wow, how far this can be expanded upon in assisting organizations and individuals with editing copy. So I'm going to walk you through it. This is how it works. We've got a trigger for when a file is located in a new Google Drive. Now, this is not an instantaneous trigger. It needs to run every 15 minutes or so, but it still works very efficiently. We are extracting a prompt that we're storing in a different Google Doc. And I love this technique because it allows the organizations to refine the prompt as they are working with it. They do not need to come into this automation to change the prompt. We're simply saving that prompt as a variable. Then we are extracting the document copy that we would like to edit. We're feeding that all through an OpenAI module and then adding the edits to the end of the document with an explanation of what changes were made and why. We're then renaming the file to show that it has been edited and moving it back to the original folder. So let's give it a go. Firstly, I'll show you I have the prompt stored in a specific Google Doc. I have my article, which is about a chatbot, which I thought hallucinated, but turns out I was wrong and it was right. And I have all of my documents that I'm working on in this Google Drive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tag that article and drag and drop it into this folder. And I'm manually going to start this now, but automatically that would work every 15 or so minutes. And it's going to find that folder. We're extracting the prompt, saving it as a variable. You can see here we've saved that prompt as a variable, extracted the Google Doc copy, so the chatbot was right. So it's extracted that copy. Now it is feeding it through that AI module, and then it's going to make the changes to the document. So we can actually sit within this document and wait for these changes to be made live. And there we have it. We can see we have the original document at the front. We have the refined content. The chatbot proved accurate instead of the chatbot was right. It's got a couple of tweaks and then my explanation of changes below it. And you'll also notice that the name of the article has been renamed. And if we move back to that LinkedIn folder, we can actually find that that article is there with that new name of refined. So why do I think that this is so valuable? Well, firstly, you can use it for many different types of editing. You can use it for communication and style guide to ensure that it aligns with that. You could design a prompt to edit in a specific style of your favorite author. You could ask simply for advice instead of for edits. The list goes on and on and on. And here's the really exciting part. As part of the membership to my community, you get the blueprint to this automation that you can install on your own system and then refine it to how you like. So if you'd like more information, check out the link in the comments below. You get access to a range of AI tools and features, as well as a blueprint to the automation, as well as the prompt and instructions about how to set this up on your own Make.com account. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Otherwise, really look forward to seeing you in the next video.